It's not the comb either, but this is a better comb to do it with. Okay, so let me do some little finger waves on the side so y'all can know who be doing my hair. And you gotta do this with gel, child. Not with this bullshit I got going on. Okay, let me put a little bit more. I'm just bored, y'all. I'm finna get up and go clean up my kitchen. Okay, I'm just gonna do one finger wave on the side. Okay, put some of this shit on there, okay. Okay, I'm gonna take these glasses off. Okay, y'all gonna be like, ooh, Lisa knows she know how to do some hair. Okay, that's a little wave right there. See that? You supposed to use gel, so it's better with gel. I ain't never tried to use this shit to make no damn fake waves, but I mean, it is what it is. It's just a demonstration. And she got these little curls on her hair, but Meg had curls on her shit, so. I mean, if you ain't got many edges, this probably be a good idea just to kind of put some little waves or something. I mean, but it's not cute, but that's how you do finger waves, in case you want to know. My hair's so damn straight from that perm. See why people go natural. Okay, because when you get older, your hair start getting thin. Well, for some people, not most. Some of them don't. But anyway, for me, my shit done got thin. But anyway, I'm just gonna leave that shit like that. Wait. Do a little finger wave right here. That ain't gonna be cute, y'all. So I'm just gonna leave this shit alone and do it back like that. Okay, so do a little circle like Meg. It's hard to do anything with these nails. It's hard to do anything with nails. Okay, let's see. And these thin ass edges, it's hard, child. It is hard. Get thee behind me, Satan. You know what? I could do it. Just the fact that I'm doing it on camera is an issue. So let me get off camera and I'm gonna do it. And you'll see it once I'm done. I'm almost through these little circles, whatever the fuck she got going on the side. But anyway, so you see that? I mean, you can make it, but you gotta use gel, baby. That edge control ain't gonna work. And I could do better, but you know, I be half-assed and just shy. I ain't finna be wearing my hair like this, so I just got some kind of message on my phone. Okay, so, I mean, you can make the little circles, but you got to use gel. Okay, and since my edge is all messed up from wearing weave and stuff, I mean, you probably have to have more edges. But, I mean, it's kind of looking all right. I mean, but I ain't going nowhere. So I'm not Megan the Stallion. And so I ain't finna be trying to, I don't know how her shit look. I just remember some curls. And so this might not be exactly like hers, but you could do it if you want to do it. Now you can do it to yourself if you want to. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more gel on here because this gel seems to be having some kind of issues. Okay, so put that gel on there so it can stick to your face. Because that's what the fuck it's doing. Excuse my French, y'all know I curse a lot. Because I am just so vulgar. Okay, so this little shit right here don't want to do right. Thin ass hair edges. I can't stand my edges. But I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna grow them. They're gonna be popping one day. But they always have been thin since the birth of myself. Okay, so you got that little loop a little bit. So you try to just work it out with that loop when it loops over. Okay. Okay, you gotta smash that bitch a little bit, okay? Okay. Okay. These are not the right combs. Okay, so. Okay. And see, y'all know I'm not a beautician, but I mean, I got some circles on the side of my head. I did little circles. This side done dried up, child. But anyway, do y'all some circles too. Since y'all want to look like Megan the Stallion. I don't look like Megan the Stallion, baby. She might look like me though. A little bit. She might be a little thick like me though. Okay, and that shit done dried up. So y'all put some brown gel on y'all head. Y'all know about that brown gel. Y'all know. Look, see, you gotta brush that shit complete. But look, child, do I look like Josephine Baker? Show me a little eyebrow. Well, y'all get the idea, right? So you got your little ponytail. And your baby bye. It's your baby. That look like a baby now. Bye. I'm gonna ask him because I want it to be longer. And so I'm gonna take it loose. I don't know, it wasn't melted. This is pre-stretched hair. It doesn't melt good, so I put a rubber band on it. So I'm gonna ask him to show y'all how to add the hair.
Finally understands. Unlike those two other self-centered hags who call themselves my friends.
Some of it's kind of burnt.
Stretch marks, wide hips, saggy breasts.
So I already took the hair out the bag. So
I guess I'm afraid that it'll be fabulous after the baby's born. If I don't have my
just attach it on my hair like
what do I have left?
whatever piece of hair you can get, you know. Like I said before in my other video, I don't put that much thought into it because you'll start messing up.
Great. What is it? Okay, just
Give me a second.
Dust it.
And if you braid underhand or overhand, that's fine. So no matter what, just do whatever suits you.
Of course not, it's Dustin Diamond. Screech from Saved by the Bell.
Give me a second to attach this hair. Yeah, I've attached this hair. And so I'm braiding it.
I have a plan, and it's a good one. I'm gonna open a top.
And I should have used more hair.
With your little lima beans?
But I didn't, so I mean, you want a bigger ponytail, you can use more hair. Actually, I had to do the whole ponytail over because it came loose. And so I'm braiding the rest of the hair while I'm looking at girlfriends, of course. And it's ugly, but
Spring 84, winter 84. I told you that.
it's gonna be longer. So I like this hair too. I like the texture of this hair. So if y'all ever want to get some braiding hair, this braid babe,
90% of them go out of business.
it's kind of soft. It's really nice hair.
I kept waiting for you to
I recommend that.
but you never did.
And you know, her ponytail is long, but
Stop it. Mom, I did too act out.
if y'all need to know how to connect hair, because I had to do this over. I know it look kind of lumpy or whatever. But ain't nobody gonna be looking at all that. So some people might, and some of y'all might be able to braid better. But I'm braiding my own hair, so it makes a big difference who's, you know, if you get somebody else to do your braid your hair to come out better than you braid your own hair. I can do other people's hair better than I do my hair. So anyway, see how long it's gonna be. And you know the way she make the curls, I figured it out. You could tie like you can tie braiding hair, just tie something on there and loops like the like a towel or some bandanas or
My
something,
mom came in unexpectedly.
scarves, and then heat it up, and then it had a little loops tied in a loop, like a loop, and then your hair be looped. But I'm not finna do all that. I'm just making my hair longer. My hair to stand up. You know, when you doing this yourself, it ain't gonna come out as good as somebody else doing it. So y'all need to be happy. I mean, y'all need to understand that I'm having, you know, to do this myself. So, and I'm not a beautician. I just know how to braid. So, and among other things, I know how to do with hair. But see how long it is? I extended it. I got a long ass ponytail, y'all. And it ain't come out right because I had to do it over, but that braid was better the first time, as y'all can see. So, see, you can see where it's connected right here. Somewhere.
Okay.
Anyway.
You two are making me sick.
Joan, are you married to this space?
Okay, where's my rubber band? Yeah, I gotta get another rubber band.
I feel like I may die, you know. Excuse me. I can't breathe, no?
I'm glad this ponytail came back in style because it's so easy.
He's sensible,
and it's so cute. People always tell me I look cute with all my hair back, so I'm getting older now, but it's still cute.
I'll never find ex-husband number 6.
Still braiding it. And you know I'm not gonna braid this all the way to the bottom. I'm rubbing in, so
It's enough dealing with my unsupported mother. I don't need
I'm just showing y'all I'm doing it tighter.
Your business.
I mean longer. Because you can make,
Yes, William,
you know,
as an
you
investor, not as a partner.
2 lengths.
Specificity when you took my money.
It's hair.
And besides, you need somebody to check your crazy ideas.
And you have a long ass ponytail to your butt.
You have questionable
Okay, so just give me a second. I'm gonna put a rubber band on it because I'm tired of braiding it. So it's kind of not neat as it could be if one of you guys decide to do my hair like this for $5. It doesn't take that much money. Hold on. Hey y'all, so I'm sorry. I mean, not sorry. I'm done. See how long it is?
I'm not ready.
And
Well, you better get
let's
ready.
see how
Take
long
the
it
locks out
goes.
the bathroom door and hide your good towels, honey.
And make sure he doesn't use porn as
I don't know how they look, but
Cause that
it
kind of
feels like
plan
it's
doesn't give a woman
past my
anything but a
butt.
headache and a big mess to clean up.
Woo, I'm really a horse now. Woo! Anyway, yeah, so it's very fucking long. And what you have to do is, let me try to show you how to tie the knots on. I'm pretending like this a headscarf. So take the headscarf and then kind of like, if you want to make the loops per se, if you want to make the loops, this is how I'm just gonna demonstrate with this other piece here.
Oh yeah, sure. And then 30 years from now,
Cause you see how hair like loops up.
Mama to beat the shame out of him.
You just kind of like
Just call me mama.
twist the hair around real tight, like a loop. Loop it all the way real tight, or big loops, however you want your loop. Then you heat it up and it have that pattern of a loop. So, and another thing I forgot to mention, these nails won't let me be great. But if I had these nails
what
on,
were you doing earlier? Almost flirting.
that ponytail be great. Got my little baby bangs on side, but this is it. Whole ponytail. I connected some of it, you know, but I got nails on and, you know, so that's it, y'all. Y'all cute.
Maybe if you try flirting sometime, you
Woo!
would start drinking with your
I need to figure out a way to raise money so I can buy William out.
No, what you need to do is rectify the situation that you have going on.
Y'all do this title.
Or is that how you plan on
My hair's
handling
thick though,
her
so.
too? Huh? Try to buy her out of being your mama.
Whoa. Does that really work? Because I might rent a big
If you want a ponytail, let me know because, of course, it'll come out better if I do someone else's hair versus my own.